Wall-mounted faucets are having a moment in 2026. According to Houzz, they're gaining ground in bathroom design. Instead of mounting on the countertop, they emerge from the wall above the sink. The result? More counter space, easier cleaning, and a cleaner, more modern look. In this video, we're looking at 6 wall-mounted bathroom faucet ideas that work with any sink style. Stick with me. And if you're tired of crowded counters, you know what to do. Subscribe, and let's get into it. First, the modern minimalist. Sleek, simple, no visible hardware. The faucet emerges from the wall with a single, uninterrupted line, no handles to clutter the counter. The spout is clean, unadorned, and architectural. This style works best with undermount sinks and floating vanities. The clean lines of the faucet complement the clean lines of the vanity. Pro tip: look for a faucet with a built-in temperature control or a remote handle. You can install the handle separately to keep the spout as minimal as possible. Next, the industrial pipe. This is the edgy, exposed option. The faucet is made from visible pipe fittings, elbows, nipples, and flanges. It looks like something from a factory, but finished in polished brass or matte black. This style works best in loft-style bathrooms or industrial-themed spaces. It's not for everyone, but when it works, it really works. Pro tip: choose brass or copper for a warmer industrial look. Black iron for a colder, more severe look. Number 3, vintage cross handle. This is the classic, elegant option. 2 cross-shaped handles on either side of a high-arc spout. The handles are usually brass or polished nickel. The spout is tall enough to clear a vessel sink. This style works best with pedestal sinks and vintage vanities. It's a throwback, but it feels current when paired with modern materials. Pro tip: choose a faucet with ceramic disc cartridges for smoother operation and longer life. Now, gooseneck with lever. This is the most versatile wall-mounted faucet. The spout arches up and forward like a goose's neck. A single lever handle controls temperature and flow. It works with almost any sink style: vessel, undermount, or trough. The high arc gives you plenty of clearance for hand washing. The single lever is easy to use, even with wet hands. Pro tip: choose a gooseneck with a swivel spout. You can rotate the spout to the side when you need extra counter space. Number 5, commercial style. This is the retro diner vibe. The faucet has a spring-loaded coil around the spout and a spray nozzle at the end. It's the same style you'd see in a restaurant kitchen or a diner bathroom. This unexpected style adds character to a bathroom. It works with industrial, modern, and even farmhouse styles. Pro tip: choose a commercial-style faucet with a brushed finish. Polished finishes can look too shiny in a residential bathroom. Finally, dual-outlet wall faucet. 2 spouts, 1 wall. Instead of 2 separate faucets for a double sink, 1 wall-mounted unit serves both sinks. This is the most efficient use of wall space. This style works best with double vanities, where counter space is at a premium. It also creates a dramatic, sculptural look. Pro tip: make sure your water supply can handle dual spouts. Check the flow rate before installing. 2 quick tips for wall-mounted faucets. 1. Rough-in depth matters. The faucet needs to be installed at the right depth to clear the sink. Most wall faucets have a rough-in depth of 4 to 6 inches. Measure carefully before cutting into your wall. 2. Access panels. Wall-mounted faucets are harder to repair than deck-mounted ones. Install an access panel behind the wall for future maintenance. That's 6 wall-mounted bathroom faucet ideas. Modern minimalist. Industrial pipe. Vintage cross handle. Gooseneck with lever. Commercial style. Dual outlet. Wall-mounted faucets save counter space, make cleaning easier, and look incredibly modern. Would you try a wall-mounted faucet in your bathroom? Or do you prefer a traditional deck-mounted faucet? Tell me. Subscribe if your bathroom deserves better than crowded counters. I'll see you in the next video.